Fucking.
I just keep my neck on my body. Anyway, everybody, welcome to Z Cooks unboxing or reviews. I'm not sure.
Unbox?
Zunboxing. This is a 25.81 pound turkey. I don't know. I just turned the camera on. This is how this goes.
Z, isn't your fridge filled with this sort of thing?
Oh my god.
Those are thighs.
You put a little overboard with it. I said just season them a little bit.
No. I did do a full seasoning, and this is the breast. The breast is skinless.
But it just said a little bit.
Fuck you. You make your.
Maybe take one of those things out to drink.
Oh.
Anyway.
Oh yes. So yeah, Z, please.
Wait.
What are we drawing tonight? Because one of these is going down tonight.
Oh. Oh, I actually have this in this place near me.
Yep.
It's not bad. Wait, did I bring this here?
Yes.
Maybe. Oh, I never drank it then. I just bought it. I was like, oh, I've had that. It's not bad because I have it near me and I haven't yet. Okay. Ooh. All right, we got to do the. Let's do the Barretts. We'll leave the mystery for that one. Hey, Justin. Why are there 2 pounds of bacon?
No. Why are there 6 pounds of bacon is the
Hey,
question.
Justin. Why are there 6 pounds of bacon?
It's a good question, Z.
Are they all the same type of bacon?
You mean the same brand?
Yeah.
4 are the same brand. Those are not the same brand. These are Oscar Mayer.
I know I did a bacon taste test, right?
No.
Yeah, Oscar Mayer still makes the best bacon.
Well, you get 4 pounds of that there.
I bought, did you see on the Z Cooks Consortium Telegram? Oh, by the way, everyone, if you join the Patreon for $5, you get into the private Z Cooks Consortium food Patreon Telegram. I bought Peter Luger.
Yep, those are very good.
No, here's the thing.
All right then.
There was 5 slices.
It
was $7.
Not
they were
cheap.
really thick, and
that's what they are.
I cooked them till I point there I thought they were done, and it was still like they needed more flavor, or they needed to fall apart more. Maybe I can cook them
They need
properly.
more brine.
So that's the brine without a turkey in it?
Yes, concentrate. That's the brine concentrate.
Watch out.
I didn't know that was a possibility. I've opened this
I
up.
told you to concentrate on that.
Hold on, I'm opening it up. I'm just gonna drink it.
I would not.
Wait, is this soup?
No, I don't recommend.
Could this be soup?
I don't. Stick your finger in and taste it. You tell me if it's soup.
How much salt and sugar?
That's it.
I do 1 cup of salt, half a cup of sugar to every gallon of water.
What? Thank you. Here you go. Good boy.
All right, we got it.
So you overdid it so that you don't have to add more?
Well, no. It's gonna dilute with. It's gonna ultimately be 3 gallons of liquid. You don't need to put 3 gallons of liquid to store in your fridge.
On the floor. Go get your treat.
Okay. There's apples in it.
Yep.
Why?
So that's the way. The cookie
Apples are too healthy. Replace those apples with bacon. All right, we'll go back when we're gonna
Hon,
fuck
can
with
I get
this
rid of this?
giant turk.
Are you still eating this salad, hon?
Mmm.
No, I'm not talking to you.
So this is my SB Munster cheese, and that's your Boar's Head Munster cheese. So mine's greasier with more flavor.
Mine's got better texture.
Yours has got better cheesy texture.
Oh, that's what it means.
All right, we're gonna drink some of this now.
I'll get us cups.
I prefer.
Should I get the crystal?
I was gonna say you get the crystal.
All right.
This is on camera, so you can write off that crystal somehow.
You gonna make me wash my cups?
No, just don't wash them. Anyway, we'll be drinking some of this, made with pure cane sugar. Bermuda's favorite. Oh God, Bermuda Stone ginger beer, a soft drink. Yet if it's made in Virginia, but look all these places you can get your bottle recycled. So they're obviously making it for the states. You gotta find ones that don't say that.
There's nothing soft about this, I guarantee.
Carbonated water, sugar, natural and artificial flavors, ginger flavoring, citric acid, neutral cloud. This has neutral cloud in it.
I obviously only drink stuff with neutral
Sodium
cloud.
benzenate, extract of quality bark and caramel coloring. There's no solids in it. You've had the ones with the solids before, right?
Pretty soon there'll be solids in the toilet bowl.
Oh. No, this is going to guarantee there's no solids anywhere. Where's your bottle opener? The thing? Oh, it's a twist top. Oh, we don't do that. We don't.
I'm gonna watch my show while you guys.
You girl, do that, girl.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I'm pouring.
Any head?
No. I could definitely see the cloud in it, though. Neutral cloud is my favorite. I'll leave a little bit of the bottle for whoever likes it the most.
Woman!
What?
Oh,
Come.
is she trying this
She's
too?
getting the bottle.
Oh, baby, come in here. Come on.
Woman, come on.
Be on camera.
You don't have to be on camera. I'm a professional and not putting people on cameras.
Oh,
I always get
as a
popped
side
by
note,
camera.
consortium, This is fucking crack.
What?
Wait.
It's gone.
We have to introduce the
What?
pooper.
Oh, there's a new member of the consortium.
Oh, what?
The pooper. Come here, pooper.
Everyone already saw you feed it the cookie.
Oh, good boy. It's the pooper.
Wait, woman, here. Get in here, woman.
Woman,
All right.
Come on, you don't have to be
get on
seen.
camera. Look at her, quick.
Boobs! Okay, now. All right, we are drinking this. Wait, did she drink it already?
Oh, whoops.
Well, she's fine. Well, she's not dying.
Well, no, she's
I'm not afraid.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
I'm no longer afraid. Mmm.
It's not bad.
That's actually refreshing.
Yeah.
It's refreshing that it's a ginger beer that isn't killing us both.
Yeah, that's in a I'm not gonna vomit sort of way. It's pretty refreshing.
Yeah, no.
Good for
That's
a
really not
Moscow
bad.
That's
Mule.
good. That's good. That's
Alright.
that's a good.
That's
That's
a win.
I mean, no, it's a lose. Everyone on the internet wanted to watch us gag. Barits. That's right. It's Barits.
All right.
You know what? Bermuda's got good taste then.
Yeah.
Bermuda's not Jamaica.
You realize it's because of drinking out of crystal glasses. That's why it tastes this way.
Mm.
You put that in like a cup, regular cup. It's just poison.
We need some ham to rinse this down.
Hold that thought.
Get the mustard.
You want some stadium mustard? I don't know how this will go with
What is even stadium mustard?
Oh, I have
Describe
extra
it.
cream cheese. Really good on a hot dog. It comes out of Cleveland.
Put it on a ham.
And then we got this too.
Nothing good comes out of Cleveland.
Well,
Just pointing that out.
except that mustard.
That is not opened. Am I
It's
opening?
brand new.
Do I bust open a stadium mustard for this?
Probably not, to be honest. I don't want you
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be grossed out by it. It's good on a hot dog.
What do you mean I want to be grossed? I put wasabi sauce on a fucking hot dog.
I don't want you to be turned off by it.
Did you just think that food at all would turn me off? Right here.
No, I didn't
I'm
do
just
that.
dipping this bit here.
No,
Here, I'll paste this onto this one because this will be yours.
Okay, cool.
And I'll put this one on mine. That's a lot, by the way.
CCOs, you don't know how to next level like I do.
Oh. Oh, man. I don't know how to do a mayonnaise. Wow. These people should all join the cooking consortium so they know exactly what we're doing.
CCOs, let the audience know. It's not just any mayonnaise right here.
Oh.
This is the Hellman's extra heavy mayonnaise.
I buy avocado mayo now. Not for health reasons. It isn't any healthier.
In fact,
I
I'm
made a
probably going to
sandwich.
die 6 years sooner because of it.
It just has more of a mayo taste to it. Did I drop something? I'll eat over the sink. I'll eat in your cavity.
Yeah, consortium, if you invite Zeos over your house, be sure to just not expect to have
Yeah, I mean, you can have a dog that used to poop on everything, but I'm the bad one. All right. I'm sorry. If you don't like mukbang, please shut this video off. Also, if you have to wash your hands immediately after eating something, it's a good sign.
Z, I'm going to put in some mustard cheese real quick.
Oh,
It's
God.
really hard to get apart. This giant one, it's just crumbling in my hand.
Oh, God.
Kind of stuck together.
I like the crumbly one, though.
You see, whoever sliced this
melts
for you is a piece of shit. Because they didn't offset the pieces. So it's full contact all the way.
Sauce is here. Hold on.
Who?
Mmm.
We're having some vegetarian ham.
Well, on video. Hold on. A video of my head. Look. Oh, I'm going to go. Okay.
Vegetarian ham. With some baby unhatched
You're
eggs.
vegetarian because we're lying to you. It's covered in lies, which makes it healthy.
With boar's head.
Yeah, do it. This one I'm going to forward to the cooking consortium. This doesn't have my face in it. Thanksgiving has already begun. I am giving thanks already. We have already begun giving thanks. Oh, good. Okay, I'll forward that one to the cooking consortium.
Really good.
Dude, it was one of those pre-made, like, packaged. I cut it open, and it was sliced already. I'm like, it was like a little ham. It was like this big, like, it's perfect Zeo's ham. Okay, I'll forward that without quoting, so people don't know that I filmed it for anyone else.
How did you eat? We having the chili, right?
Steven's not hungry then.
Fuck those balls. Spooked the shit out of me one night while outside. I was actually going to grab my pistol.
No, I do want to eat dinner.
Alright, we'll be back with balls.
I'm a...
How much horse semen is that?
Well, if you get 4 steers and a couple of...
Pretty sure they're not called
Clydesdales-
steers. They're not called steers.
Alright, steers are bulls.
You're dumb. Okay. Oh no, this is gonna suck. Watch
Oh, wait, hold on.
Watch Jay get pissed.
Oh my god.
Anyway, So now that we've tried the actual really good ginger beer, this is the one that's available in my store, and actually I brought this here.
We've had the Appalachian, like, other
It's legendary flavor. You know what that means?
garbage.
It means you're gonna remember it for a long time.
It's Goya.
Oh, nothing can be Goya, man. Nothing can be. Oh God, that's consistency. Oh Jesus!
That looks like.
It looks like 17 dudes just jerked off into
It looks
my
like what Marty's fucking ancestor poured him. They cold water.
Yeah.
In Back to the Future 3.
Yeah, that's exactly what they used.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be legendary.
Hold on, hold the bottom so we can make the ting noise.
It's gonna break its fucking crystal. There we go.
Oh, you're just going for it.
Ah!
Oh.
Toast me some. Oh. No, that's the ginger beer that we were expecting.
Yeah.
Oh, it
Although-
sucks. Oh, it sucks. It's
It doesn't suck as bad as
no,
the
it's
Goya
not Goya.
Or the Stewart's.
It's just burning. It's just burning.
Yeah.
The back of my throat is not happy. I don't even have ham now, you fuck.
Yeah.
I did that and it foamed, and it was just foam ginger beer. It was bad.
Want some dog food?
This is
Alright.
legendary flavor.
Yeah.
Can I have another? Can I have that other bottle back so I can build a plinth for how fucking amazing it was?
I'm not actually finishing this. I'm fucking done.
I'm gonna finish what's in my cup. It looks like someone jacked it in my cup.
Oh,
In a
you want
bar.
to try this?
It's really bad. You sure?
All right, Gio. It's just to keep you so like you know you don't feel like you're on your own.
Let's do it.
My glass too. Can I burn my glasses now? I'm dumping the rest of this.
You know what? It tastes like something from like.
It hurts the back of your throat.
You know what
It's
it,
not
it
pleasant.
tastes like? Remember how moldy the basement was to the Italian American Museum?
Oh God.
It tastes like I'm breathing down there, but underwater.
Now you want one of these? Just
Yeah,
to do
anything.
anything? Just
I didn't even want one of these before. Now I want one. It still hurts. All right, no more of this for now.